All right, hello everyone. Welcome all to the London Align workshop. This is the first time we're hosting an Align workshop in London, but hopefully not the last.
FAR's events are incredible. This is a rapidly evolving field, and it is hard to keep up with the pace of change just through online communications.
The sheer amount of research that gets published makes it very difficult to follow from afar. And it really is these sort of like small, close-knit community sessions that allow you to like find the new ideas that matter that you wouldn't otherwise have seen.
I'm very used to going to AI-related events where everyone's a machine learning nerd who looks, talks, acts, and thinks almost exactly the same way that I do. But a nice thing about FAR workshops increasingly is how much work is being done to build the bridges that need to exist, build community around AI risk management research and advocacy, and it's going to get more people working together, and then they're going to do very cool things.
I hope people get to know each other. I hope they form research collaborations. I hope they form lasting bonds so that at some point in the future, when there's a critical thing that they need to know, there's somebody that they can ask that they wouldn't have known about otherwise.
FAR's events are a game changer, not only for understanding the current state of AI safety and policy, but also for forging the relationships and networks that help us increase the impact and relevance of our work over the months and years that follow.